have something to show you today. Look. Who is that? Who? It's a girl. The girl. She is going on a trip. Where is she going to go? Look at this. Do you remember what that is? Airplane. Airplane. The girl is going to get on the airplane. She is going on a trip. Where is she going? Wow. Where is she going? I see a barn. You're right. She is going to the farm. Farm. Maybe she will see some animals. Where are the animals? Where? Where are the animals? There are no animals inside the barn. I see something coming. It's a green tractor. Tractor. Hello, that's the farmer. Farmer. He works at the farm. Where are the animals? What is it? It says horse. Horse. It says horse. The horse is going to go in the barn. Maybe the girl can ride the horse. What other animals are coming? This animal is brown, and he says, moo. What is it? A cow. A cow. Moo. Look, I have 2 cows. This one is black and white. White and black cow. Moo. 1, 2 cows. They are going to go on the barn. Maybe. There are 2 cows on the barn. What other animals do we have coming? This animal is white and black, and he says, ba, ba. What is it? A sheep. 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 Ba, sheep. the sheep is going to go behind the barn. Bye-bye, sheep. He's hiding. Where is the sheep? Where? Can you find it? There's the sheep inside the barn. Look what other animal is coming. What is that? Rooster. 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 Roosters like to eat corn. Are you hungry? Do you want some corn? Yes, he wants some corn to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. He is happy. He likes to eat corn. I have popcorn. A little bit different. Quack, quack, quack. What is that? He's yellow and he has an orange nose. Duck. Duck. He says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks love to swim in water. Do you want to swim in some water? Yes, he wants to swim in some water. The duck is in the water. He jumped in the water. He is happy to be swimming in the water. I see one more animal. It is pink and he has a funny nose. What is it? A pig. Pig. I have 2 pigs. 1, 2. Pigs. Pigs like to play in the mud. They like to play in the mud. Do you want to play in the mud? Yes? Yes, he wants to play in the mud. Oh boy. Look at this mud. Oh. He is playing in the mud. Oh no, he is dirty. He has brown mud all over him. But they are happy. Look. My hands are dirty. Dirty hands. I need to clean my hands. A little bit better. Clean hands. Wow, that is many, many animals on our farm. Let's count them. How many animals? 1, 2 pigs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 animals are on the farm. Little girl, did you have fun today going to the farm? Yeah, she had fun. I think it's time to go home. Bye-bye, farm. And I think it is time for us to clean up our animals. I'm going to put them in the box. Dry off the duck. Bye-bye, horse. Bye-bye, cow. Bye-bye, cow. Bye-bye, sheep. Bye-bye, farmer. My pigs are still dirty in the mud. What should we do? I have an idea. Let's clean them in the water. It's like he's taking a bath. All clean. One more pig to take a bath. All done. Clean pig. Put him in the box. And that is it. All done with the farm. Bye.